Hey everyone, so here's a quick video on how to remove laptop stickers. So first of all, we need 4 materials: a hairdryer, an alcohol or a surfactant like soapy water, a sharp edged object, and a wiping cloth like a microfiber cloth or tissue. So first of all, what we're gonna do is heat up the stickers. Don't heat it up too much since it may affect the battery, it may damage it, and maybe something that will happen to your battery. So put away the hairdryer from time to time and don't continuously heat up your computer because it may damage the battery badly. So fast forward, first find a corner and try to lift it off. Then after lifting the corner off, keep applying heat and then just pull it slowly and surely. Make sure that no residue will be left behind. And don't try to pull it too fast because pulling it too fast will leave the sticker residue behind and it will require you to use alcohol or soapy water, which is we don't want because we may damage the surface of the laptop. So now that the big laptop sticker is removed, now it's time to remove the small Intel sticker, and this sticker is a little bit tricky to remove because it's really attached to the surface of the computer, so it requires more patience and a little bit more heat. So here you can see me, I'm trying to lift off one of the corners of the sticker, but it's a little bit hard and it's too attached to the surface. So I tried using my nails until a corner lift off a little bit. Then after that, I began slowly lifting the whole thing off. Because this sticker is more stickier than the other sticker, there will surely be a residue that will be left behind. So we can use our fingers to scoop up the residue and remove it. So we're avoiding using alcohol or any type of liquids at all costs because it may damage the surface of the laptop. But if there's a little bit more residue that is left behind, we can use maybe water or a mild alcohol like hand sanitizer so that we won't be damaging the surface of the laptop. But if your laptop isn't plastic and it's more of a metal like aluminum, then we can safely use alcohol because it won't really damage the surface that much. So removing laptop stickers is fairly simple. I turned my laptop from this into this and it only took me around 10 minutes. So if you have any tips in removing laptop stickers, please comment it down below so everyone can see. And please like the video if you like it and consider subscribing. Thank you.